Approval Act 2012, we have 28 days. The correct position when the two are in conflict is that this House has 28 days within which to make the approval. A calculation of the 28 days lapse on the 31st of May 2023, by which time this House will be on recess. Therefore, to ensure that there is sufficient time for the Committee, Justice and Legal Affairs to consider the nominees, the two nominees, so that we go through the vetting process and we are able to table to this House a good report on the two, we have deemed it necessary that we extend the period by 14 days. The 14 days will take us to after the House resumes. So with those remarks, I urge the House to pass the procedural motion and approve an extension for 14 days. Mr. Speaker, with those remarks, I call upon the Honorable Victor Koech, also known popularly in his constituency as Mandazi of Chepalungu, to actually second the motion. Thank you, Mr. Speaker.
Yeah, thank you so much, Mr. Speaker.